izandla sishayela imash and mash isayele insizwa nobunsizwa bayo suka mnini madoda awu Jacinta Mangobese Jacinta Mangobese Zuma sikushayela izandla Ndlovukazi sikushayela izandla siswethu suka umsebenzi owenzayo sisi eSouth Africa ubonwa nazi inyanda ezulu suka phakela umthakathi umfoka ndabandaba unkosi khona nkosi yami insizwa madoda nkosi yami uyabona phakela umthakathi mfowethu ngikushayela izandla nkabi yami ngehlela ngezantsi ngiguqa ngedolo ngithula isigqoko phakela umthakathi insizwa yakwethu awusuka madoda sizinsizwa kaZulu siphethe amaqhawe kaZulu angeke safana nganza kwethu kukhona insizwa kukhona amaqhawe uyabona ophakela umthakathi amaqhawe ongizwe emchunu suka madoda ichunu macingwane udlothovu hayi ngamaqhawe zisizwa zakithi ngamaqhawe nawe ntokazi ningamaqhawe bafowethu siyabonga mkhulu kakhulu umsebenzi eniwenzayo singomakhanya siyarecognize siyabonga siyanconcoza sithi ayiqhubeke alutha suka ngicela ke abantu mabebiza mina omakhanya bangathi Gwabaza asilungise le umakhanya akayena uGwabaza umakhanya thina bomakhanya siwumzali woGwabaza asikwazi thina ukuthakazelwa ngoGwabaza ngoba oGwabaza amadodana kithi oGwabaza abangomakhanya ngoba omakhanya oyise boGwabaza thina sizala oGwabaza asikwazi ke ukubizwa ngoGwabaza sibe sibazala oGwabaza uyise akabizwa ngendodana indodana ebizwa ngoyise besithi nje akekho omunye umuntu obengayicacisa leyo ndaba ngaphandle kwethu singomakhanya uma ubona umakhanya ungabothi Gwabaza ubothi phakathwayo uthi songomnyama uthi yeyeye uthi mnguni uthi mpangazitha mawubona omakhanya awuthi Gwabaza oGwabaza othi mawubabona bese uthi makhanya ngoba oGwabaza bazalwa omakhanya.
It's okay to want to defend your culture. It's okay to want to live in a safe neighborhood. It's okay to want your job to go to yourself and your neighbors and not to a stranger who you don't even know. It is reasonable for the people in Western societies to want to control who comes into their country and who doesn't.